I guess here 3 power 3 is 27 plus 6 times here 4 power 2 minus 10 in bracket. Here 27 plus 6 is 33 times here 4 power 2 minus 10 in bracket. Here 33 times here 4 power 2 is 16 minus 10 in bracket. Here 33 times here 16 minus 10 is 6. Here 33 times 6 is 198 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 198 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority. This is the exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication, division both are equal priority. Also this addition, subtraction both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce this left to right rule in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct order by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before this operation. Here 3 power 3 plus 6 times. Here inside the bracket we have two operations. One is exponent, other one is subtraction. So exponent is higher priority than this subtraction. So we have to do this exponent before this subtraction. Here 4 power 2 is 16 minus 10 in bracket. Here 3 power 3 plus 6 times. Here 16 minus 10 is 6. Now we have exponent. Exponent is higher priority than this operation. So we have to do this exponent before this operation. So 3 power 3 is 27 plus 6 times 6. Here we have multiplication, division is higher priority than this addition. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition. Here 27 plus 36. Here 27 plus 36 is 63 is the correct answer.